Hello, I'm Jane from wphostee.com. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to use your wphostee account after you've purchased a hosting plan with us. In order to log into your account, you click on the login button here at the top right-hand corner. Then you will be asked to insert your email and password in order to log into your account. If you do not remember your password that you set up when you purchased a service with us, simply click on the Forget Password button, where you will need to insert the email address that you used when you purchased a service with us. Then you will receive instructions by email on how to reset your password. So if the email address you entered matches an existing account, please check your email for instructions on what to do next in order to reset your password. Having reset your password, you can now log into your account by clicking on the login button here. Here you will see the menu on the top where most of the options are to be found on your account. Open Ticket. From your account, you can open tickets if you have a problem with your website or any questions you want to ask. Just click on the Open Ticket tab here and make sure you complete all the information in the form and click the Submit button. One of our customer representatives will answer your ticket, usually within 20 minutes, and you will also be notified by email of our response. You can also see all our replies from the menu at Support in the Tickets tab. My Projects. If you have any opened web design projects with us, you can review all the tasks here by accessing the My Projects tab, where we will keep you updated with the progress on all of your projects. Referrals. You can also get paid by referring customers to us by accessing the Affiliates tab here. Make sure you read all the terms and conditions and click on the Activate Affiliate Account button, where you will be directed to another page. Here you will be provided with a unique to share with your family or friends. If they then use this link for a service with us, you will receive 25% commission on the service purchased by them. So it's definitely worth you recommending our services. My Quotes. Here on the Billing tab, you find the My Quotes page, where you can see all the quotations we may have sent you in regards to web design projects that you have requested with us. You can see at what stage the quotation is at. In this example, as you can see, it's at the Delivered stage. Click on this button and the quotation opens up in a new tab. You need to click on the Accept Quote button. Once this has been done, you will see that the status has changed from delivered to accepted. Here you can also download this quotation in a PDF form, so you have this for your records on your computer. I hope you found the tutorial useful. If you liked it, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below for more tutorials. Goodbye, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.